Hello everyone. So today I'm going to talk to you about this amazing little oil. It is the LISA NOTO Pure Moringa Oil. This is the 12 ml format. For those who just want to try it at first, it's gonna last probably a month. And then there's the 30 ml that will last probably 3 months, about 3 months. So I chose this oil because it's the most amazing one I've tried so far. I discovered the moringa oil 2 years ago and I fell in love with it, and I'm like, that's what I want to give to my customers. The LISA NOTO Pure Moringa Oil is from India, and it is organic and fair trade. So what are so how does it look? First of all, it has no smell. This one has no smell. It depends because there are so many different moringa oils. You can find some that will have a more intense perfume, and also there are different colors. The LISA NOTO moringa oil is almost transparent, but not totally. So maybe 95% transparent, no smell. And so this oil, what are the benefits? There are so many. First of all, it has many fatty acids, omega 6 and 9. And what these fatty acids will do, well, they actually nourish your skin cells. So your cells are nourished, and it's like when you had a great meal, they become all plumped and happy. And so your skin is all plumped as well, and it brings back the elasticity. So it's no longer dry. And in that sense, a pure oil in general, you can use it as a moisturizer because your skin feels hydrated and plumped. Also, you will find 36 anti-inflammatory compounds. So don't ask me to give you the names of all those chemical compounds, but what they will do is they will soothe your skin. If you have dry skin, red skin, rosacea, acne, it will really help soothe your skin, and in that sense remove redness and all these little skin problems throughout time. But this oil is very powerful. So, you have results right away when you start using it. The third very great benefit of the moringa oil is there are a lot of antioxidants. Actually, there are 46 antioxidants in this beautiful oil. So what does that what it does to your skin? It's actually it blocks all the free radicals, and in that sense it's a very powerful anti-aging product. So that's it. How I use the moringa oil. Usually I use it only as is in the morning. I put it in my hand and just put it on my face. The equivalent of maybe 6 to 10 drops. And then I will apply my smoothing makeup base to lock in moisture. But moringa is very versatile. You can use it just like that as a moisturizer, and also a powerful treatment for your skin if you have skin problem. And also you can mix it to your day cream for extra hydration, and you can use it in your hair. The result is very smooth and glowy skin and hair, but that oil is dry, so it dries very quickly. And in that sense, it's it's very handy because we don't want to look too shiny either. If you have any questions, more questions, be free to leave me a comment. And that is it for now. You can find this beautiful moringa oil on my website, lisanoto.com, and also on Amazon.